Hi, it's Lisa. I wanted to reach out to you today to discuss the importance of cyber liability insurance. It covers you for liability that you may ensue as a result of somebody hacking into your system. Also covers you for first-party issues. That's your stuff. If somebody infiltrates a virus in your system and enables it to operate, or if somebody hacks in and transfers money from your bank account erroneously. Those are the types of things that cyber liability covers. I know many times clients of mine may not be in a position to allocate additional funds to insurance. As we all know, insurance can be costly. I wanted to give you some tips that might insulate yourself from an attack. And here's 10 tips to help you reduce the likelihood of sustaining a cyber attack. First and foremost, train your employees on the importance of cyber security and what could happen to your business if you sustain a hack. Next, make sure you have antiviral and anti-spyware software on your system and make sure it's updated regularly. I'd also caution you here in this environment to make sure your employees have that as well on their laptops or their connections when they're working remotely. It's critical right now that we all take the extra step to make sure that our security that we have in our businesses is extended to all these home offices that we all now have that we didn't have in the past. Same thing goes with the firewall. It's critical to make sure that you have a firewall that covers all of your computers. And again, your remote employees need to have a firewall as well. Backing up data is extremely important. It sounds simple, but so many people forget to do it. So that should be done on a regular basis. As are the software updates on our operating systems. Most times the updates contain enhanced security. Controlling the physical access to your computers is also very important. You want to do what you can to prevent strangers or unwanted people from getting into your building and possibly turning on your computers and having access. A secure Wi-Fi network is also critical. I know it sounds kind of it's like common sense, but sometimes you'd be surprised at how many people don't have that. Or, again, more importantly, your employees, when they're working remotely for you, make sure that they know they have to work on a secure network. Each individual employee should have their own logon and password to all the sites that they access on your behalf. You also need to limit the people that have the ability to install software. This should be limited to the business owners and maybe the operational manager. And last but not least, this is an easy one. You want to make sure that you regularly change, or your employees regularly change their passwords. Taking these steps will definitely help make your business more secure. However, in no means do I think that having these steps can replace the importance of a cyber liability policy. I would strongly suggest you reach out to your broker and talk to them about it, or reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you and give you further detail about this coverage. It protects you tremendously, and the coverage is less expensive than you'd think. Don't be frightened by another policy.